Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. So today we are at the Tmall interchange. This one connects the expressway at Mombasa Road and Langata Road. So right here it's going to ease traffic going through Mbagathi Way and traffic going all the way to Rongai. So I can't wait for this project to be finished. I understand that it is under Kura. Kura is the one doing the construction progress, and it's so beautiful. I hope you get to enjoy it and see it. Once we go around, you'll see what we see. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Cheers, guys. The traffic congestion normally witnessed at the Langata Mbagathi Way roundabout in Nairobi may ease following a decision by the Kenya National Highway Authority (KENHA) to construct a flyover on Langata Road. Spanish engineering company Centunion is set to begin construction of a 4-lane flyover on Langata Road in a project meant to reduce traffic jam at the target locations. This follows the completion of detailed designs of the Tmall flyover on Langata Road and related footbridges across Mbagathi Way and at Nyayo Stadium. Centunion, which is currently undertaking work on site, is expected to complete the project at a cost of 3 billion Kenya shillings. Based in Madrid, Spain, Centunion says it has experience in the design, supply, and erection of modular steel bridges with projects in South America, Asia, and Africa. According to KENHA, the 36-month project is the product of a bilateral financial cooperation agreement between the government of Kenya and its Spanish counterpart. The project will be implemented in 7 phases to minimize traffic disruption. Phase 1 will involve road widening works on Langata Road between Wilson Airport, Tmall Roundabout, and Nairobi River, where the road will be fenced from outside to allow the works. In the second phase, the median and inner lanes of Langata Road will be hedged to allow piling works between Wilson Airport and Tmall Roundabout. In Phase 3, piling and foundation works will continue between Wilson Airport and Tmall Roundabout. Road widening works will resume between Tmall Roundabout and Nairobi River. A new fence will be installed to allow the works. Phase 4 will involve the continuance of piling works between Tmall Roundabout and Nairobi River. The existing median and inner lanes will be fenced to allow the works. In Phase 5, foundation works will continue on Langata Road between Wilson Airport, Tmall Roundabout and Nairobi River. In Phase 6, foundation works will continue during daytime, while erection works will be carried out at night when traffic will be diverted through one side of Langata Road. The erection process and the remaining civil works will be completed in Phase 7. During this stage, fences and other traffic measures will be eased gradually. Ken has said the project will ensure safe and reliable crossing for pedestrians while reducing traffic congestion and vehicle crashes at the target locations.